Hey everyone, we are here today at All Star Movies checking out a remodeled standard room.
Now, these remodels are completely done at All Star Movies. We happen to be in the Mighty Ducks section, but all the rooms pretty much look the same inside. We do like this remodel. They've gone from double beds to queen beds, and one of them folds up into the wall. It's one of those fold down table beds, and we really like that for the two of us because it gives us a lot more room in the room.
So let's go check it out.
So we first come in the room here, you can see we have a table that is a pull down bed. We'll pull that down here in just a minute. And of course the hard floors in here definitely helps with keeping it cleaner. Over here across the room we've got a little coffee nook, and they do have coffee makers in here now. They've got the single serve Cuisinart coffee makers, no Keurigs in these. And then down in this little drawer below you'll find all the necessities for coffee, like cups and creamers and coffee grounds, things like that. And then just below that is where you'll find your mini fridge as well. Now the beds we have in here, we do have two queen size beds in these rooms, and the first one is a table bed. It pulls down right on top of that table, and the second one is just a normal bed that is raised up off the ground, so you do have space for luggage storage underneath. Really comes in handy in the rooms that are a little bit more limited in size, like the value rooms. Now on either side of these beds we do have these little end tables built into the wall there, and they have USB outlets and wall outlets on them, so you've got plenty of places by the beds to charge your phones. And we'll pull these chairs out so we can pull down the bed, and just got to point out while we pull out the chairs that they do have this awesome pattern on them that does represent movies, music, and sports. All the All-Star Movies, music and sports resorts here. And you can see the bowling ball has a little hidden Mickey on it. Adorable. So really love that the Imagineers took the time to put together some pieces that are usable across all the All-Stars. It's a great way to save some time and money and also kind of tie them all together. Now this table bed just pulls down by grabbing this handle and pull straight down. You can see that the table folds up right underneath the bed. And there you go. You have a queen size bed. Gets a little bit tighter in here with the bed pulled down, which is one reason we're really glad they went to the table beds instead of just putting a bed in. But you have the queen size bed there and this adorable headboard, again representing All-Star Sports, movies, and music all together. And we've got Huey, Dewey, and Louie napping there, dreaming of the three different things: sports, music, and movies. Let's go ahead and pick this back up. It is pretty easy to bring down and back up. Maybe not quite easy enough for a child, but any adult should be pretty capable of pulling that down. Now above this bed we have an adorable picture of Mickey and Minnie and Donald, and the little lights around that. The room's fairly well lit. There's no light in the center of the room, but between that one and the one on the wall, we have a decent amount of light in here. We've got a new large screen TV on the wall there, as well as the dresser down below, where you have more of those USB outlets and wall outlets, and you also have a safe that's inside here. So you have the digital safe now instead of the wall safe. And going over to the bathroom area, you've got a little coat rack to the right of the bathroom door. And then the bathroom door is a sliding barn door style, so you can close off the bathroom from the rest of the room. And it does have that slow close feature to try and prevent smashing little fingers if they pull these doors closed. In the bathroom, we've got a little vanity set up here that has kind of a small countertop, but it does extend all the way across, so you do have some room to spread out there. And they also have an additional shelf right above the countertop. The mirror has lighting all the way around, which is great, makes it really bright in here in the bathroom, great for getting ready. And then they have built-in shelves on the wall as well as on this closet unit right there behind us, and that's where you'll find your ironing board to go with that iron that's sitting in the built-in there. Now the other half of the bathroom, where you'll find the tub, shower, and toilet, is a sliding door as well. You can see it collapses in on itself there. Not quite a pocket door, but as you pull it out, you have the full-length mirror there on the door and that of course does have a lock on it. And in here you have your tub. They have the glass doors for the shower instead of the curtain, and they have the refillable shampoo and body wash, again going to the saving plastics and trying to work with the big bottles instead of the little guys. And then we have just the single shower head, no detachable shower head, but you do have kind of that larger rainfall style shower head. And that is going to conclude this tour of the standard room here at All Star Movies. We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up down below and leave any questions you have in the comments section. If you'd like to see more room tours like this, including a really cool playlist of refurbished rooms here at Walt Disney World, be sure to check out our channel and subscribe while you're there.
That's right, and we have even more information for you on herewiththeears.com, so be sure to check out our website. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.